In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find your Atlassian account ID in Jira. If you work with advanced JQL, REST APIs, or automation tools like N8N, this is an important skill to know. Atlassian no longer exposes raw usernames or email addresses in many public-facing places. So if you want your scripts and automations to work correctly, you'll often need your unique Atlassian account ID instead. The good news is that it's easy to locate once you know where to look. To begin, open your preferred web browser and go to your Jira or Atlassian cloud site. If you normally access Jira through your company's Atlassian domain, sign in there. You can also sign in through the main Atlassian account portal if needed. Once you're on the main dashboard and everything has loaded, move to the top right corner of the screen and click on your profile avatar. This opens a drop-down menu with account-related options. From that menu, look for the profile option and select it. That will take you to your personal profile page, where the key detail we need is hidden in the page URL rather than on the page itself. Now look up at the browser's address bar. In the URL, find the section that appears after /people/. Right after that part, you'll see a long unique string made up of letters, numbers, and dashes. That string is your Atlassian account ID. This is the value typically used in Jira integrations, scripts, and account-based API references. So copy it carefully and save it somewhere secure for later use. If you want to verify that ID another way, especially while working inside Jira Search or automation, go back into Jira and open filters, then choose Advanced Issue Search. When the search screen opens, switch to JQL mode if needed. In the search field, type assignee equals current user with parentheses, then run the search. After that, switch the view again if your Jira interface allows it, or return to the text-based JQL display. Jira may rewrite the query using your actual backend account identifier instead of the current user function. If it does, you'll see your Atlassian account ID directly in the query. That's a useful confirmation step, especially if you're preparing a script or troubleshooting an automation. Once you've copied the ID, you can paste it into your API requests, automation workflows, or integration tools wherever a Jira user identifier is required. Using the correct account ID helps prevent failed requests and makes your Jira automations much more reliable. That's it for this video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.